All right, today we're gonna bring a vise, and this is a hardcore metal vise that we're gonna put together. I like it, it's strong. We're gonna put it out here at our shop. Included on the vise, they give you the actual system itself, a couple of screws, a couple of grips, so you could, if you don't want to damage something, they give you the plastic ones, and this goes underneath your desk. So you need to put this together. They give you the screws, pretty much, all the hardcore screws that you're gonna require for this to set up. So if you want to travel with this, you can take it anywhere. So let's go and set up on our desk here. This is our workshop right here, if you guys can see that. This is where we're going to set up our work station. All right, so here we have the vise set up. All right, so we could close it up if you want to. It's an option. You could screw it up some more in 3 different angles in the back and here in the sides too. And this is to lock it in place. If you want to spin it around, you can do that. You lock it in place. And this is hard now. It's nice and hard, so you could actually grab your tools. If this is hitting, you can always do this. So this is a little strong, durable. In a shop like this, they don't use this to cut too much. They use it to file down things with this. So today we're gonna use it for filing down. With this one, we're gonna lock it in place. Make sure everything's locked in, and we're gonna sand it. So this is perfect if you're gonna work on small projects, even large projects like this one. It won't move out of place. Very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.